that way we should be answered by the Department of Foreign Affairs at saka ng Bureau of Immigration. So most probably on the next series of Quadcom, we might as well invite DFA and Bureau of Immigration to explain to the committee with regards to the documents, especially the passport being used by Harry Roque, because alam naman ng lahat na Atty. Harry Roque is being cited in contempt in the House. So nagtatago nga siya pero doon napaka komportable siyang naglalakad, no? And hindi pa nga namin alam talaga kung from what country siya before Netherlands ang galing. So malalaman natin siguro yan in the next hearing, no?
Sir,
Then we'll ask the DFA kung anong pwedeng mga legal remedies with regards to the order of the House in relation to the passports and documents na ginagamit ni Atty. Harry Roque.
pwede ipa-cancel yun, sir.
Let us ask the legal opinion of the legal department of the House, and of course the legal department also of the DFA.
Sir, anong liability ng DFA and BI?
As of now, we cannot talk about the liabilities of the two agency, but sabi ko na nga, they have to explain to the committee na Harry Roque is cited in contempt, but is scot-free, especially ngayon lumabas na talaga with BP Sara pa and all other entourage dun sa The Hague.
So, susulatan ninyo, sir? Susulatan ng Quadcom
And
yung
definitely they will be invited in the next hearing. I will ask the chairman, especially the lead chairperson, si Chairman Barbers, that we will invite the FNB, BI with regards to that.
Sir, when's the next hearing?
Tentatively Friday, but let us see if it will be postponed.
Sir, ano lang po yung naramdaman nyo nung nakita nyo si Atty. Harry Roque na ang tagal nang hinahanap ng Quadcom, tas andun siya bigla?
Wala, ganun lang. Okay lang sa akin. But of course, agencies should explain, no? Concerned agencies should explain to the committee and to the House